Hi kids, good evening. Welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club with another video. I hope you like this channel. Today I would like to say something about my hobbies. Guys, my hobby is drawing. Everybody loves drawing, not even only me. I enjoy using different mediums such as pencil and charcoal to create drawing. I am inspired by the whole around me and often draw landscape and animals. I also enjoy drawing people and experimenting with digital drawing tools as well. I try to make times for drawing every day. And drawings help me relax and express my creativity. And drawing brings me a great deal of satisfaction. I am grateful for the opportunity to create art. I look forward to continue to develop my skill and explore new ideas in my drawing. So drawing is one of the most favorite hobbies among people all around the world. So I hope you are enjoying my drawing. Thanks for cooperating me guys, and keep watching the video till the end. Today we are going to color an elephant.
Bruh.
It's really very amazing. Thanks for being with me guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Now it has been completed. Till then, bye bye, take care.